We're all days evil because we've just been out in that horrible wind.
It's pouring around. Oh, my head's not in it.
Oh, we're chopping Papa's head off again.
Yeah.
Sad. There we go.
Pouring with rain.
It is.
Yeah.
The lengths that they go to for calendars.
I know.
I've left my glasses up there, but
Especially
I'm
for
not going
you.
back for them.
We will make it work.
Oh, yes.
We will make it work.
Yes.
Where's my phone? There's my phone, because I'll need that later.
Where's the dog?
She's in bed.
All right.
I put
Okay.
her in it.
And she actually is in her bed.
Yeah.
I put her in it.
Doesn't she use it then?
Well, yes,
sometimes.
but she
Alright,
tends
okay.
to like
Go on then.
wander around it. Okay,
Onward, onward.
ready? 1, 2, 3.
Merry Vlogmas!
Oh, yay.
That sounded slightly more festive.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Well, it's getting nearer.
Okay,
It's
can
my
we?
birthday.
Yeah. Will you get festive after your birthday?
Yeah.
Okay. No, don't go away.
What?
Let's do a thumbnail now, whilst we're ready.
I'm being squished.
He's trying to get his thumbnail in again.
I'm being squished.
Okay. Calendar. Did you enjoy your gin last night? Did you have your gin last
No.
night? Oh, did they like your hat?
No. That no answered how many questions you asked.
All of them.
Yes.
No. Did she have it? No.
No.
Did she enjoy it? She didn't have it, so she doesn't know.
No. Did they like your hat?
Your mum does that to me. She'll ask me 3 things.
I borrowed Sean's hat.
They know,
that
they
she
saw.
made.
They saw
What?
that you borrowed my hat. Put
Oh.
it in. They
Oh,
know that
right,
they borrowed the hat.
okay.
Now we just need to know, did they like it?
And we won.
Yeah.
And she'll probably be in the county press because of it.
Right.
So well
Come on.
done.
Oh, Dad, come on! We're allowed to celebrate.
So she's famous.
Yeah. There you go. Down there. Oh, the little bottles do fit in the thingy over there.
Okay.
I checked.
Good. Oh,
Oh!
That's a different colour as well.
well, that's bizarre.
Well, that might be one that I actually liked.
Got orange in it.
Yes, it's a Jaffa
Aha.
Cake gin.
See?
That would be why. I thought you'd seen the label.
No, I haven't seen
Ah!
the label.
Okay.
I made a
You
quiet
made the...
comment to Mum about the colour of it.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, my turn.
Your turn.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, nut milk. Staggeringly creamy with a hint of roasted hazelnut. You won't believe it's vegan. Well, it's not going to be vegan when I'm finished because I use whole milk, but interesting. The chocolate itself is nut milk. I haven't shown you guys what the actual chocolate looks like. This is basically just flaked chocolate, so you could buy a bar of this and eat it. It's not like the powdered hot chocolates. I'll try and show you when I make this one later, because I've shown you me pouring it out but not making it. So yes, anyway, Papa.
Dun, dun, dun.
Oh, has there been a murder?
No. Not
No?
yet. Not yet.
Not yet.
No, I'm still calm. It should be hay.
A barn.
Hay loft.
Oh no.
Oh yeah, it is. I can see the roof.
Oh yes. Much hay.
Much
I
hay.
could only see the palm trees.
I can only see the roof.
Ooh, what are the red things?
Right, we're looking for a gold star.
Well, there's 3 little red doodads.
Yes, but it might not be in there. Might
No. Oh, in general, is that?
be. Read what it says on there.
Hereupon an early morn was a tiny baby born. Visitors from near and far came to visit via a star. The guests will have gone, and so now you will need to find a similar clue. The Star of Bethlehem shines bright. Look around, but don't take all night. To help you out, you should be told it isn't white but shining gold. Just because they've done it once before.
What about the back?
Oh.
And it mentions baubles as well.
Oh, Mother might have found it. Yes.
Yeah.
So is that the code? 656.
Oh!
Adorning. But hang on.
There's another clue.
When you find the star, you're able to put your code into the table, but don't be hasty. Wait a second. The code is not what you had reckoned. To find your code more easily, use baubles from the Christmas tree.
This is the code. This is the
Yeah.
star, because that's not on the decoder
Yeah.
ring.
Six.
So 656.
Six,
But we need
yeah.
Christmas from the bauble tree. No, baubles from the Christmas tree. Words are hard.
So is that in the room?
There's 3 baubles. There's 3 red baubles in there. That's what the red things are.
Right.
Okay.
What's the opposite?
Oh, there's baubles.
To find the code more easily, use baubles from the Christmas tree.
Oh,
3 reds. 3, 349
394.
or 394.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well done.
Okay, so 3,
9. Well done.
4.
which equals star, square, triangle. Star, square, triangle.
Yay!
Well done, Papa.
That was a good one.
I like that one. I like the ones where you have to find things rather
Yeah.
than subjectively kind of try and... Yeah, so what was it? Star? Which is star, square, triangle.
Star, square, triangle.
This one.
Upside
down triangle.
Oh look, it'll be on the 9th.
What happens on the 9th?
Somebody was born.
Day. It's not tomorrow though, his birthday.
It is in Vlog World.
In Vlog World.
Yeah, sorry.
They know we're in debt.
I haven't made the cake
It's
yet.
a good job you're not on Strictly, having to say, and last night, you know.
Battery's dying
Haven't made
again,
the
so we're going to go and have some cake, and I'm going to make a hot chocolate.
Lemon cake.
Lemon cake.
Wonderful.
Lemon ricotta Italian cake.
And I will be back in a minute to waffle at you some more, but all those things first. Yeah, there we go. I keep saying this to Mum and Dad. Pretend that we like each other. I have the lovely Nicola back. Hey! And today, I think I told you guys yesterday on Vlogmas, but we are going to be filming a Make 9 consultation and planning session. And I have taken the strategic decision that I'm going to film everything and then edit it later, because you guys seem to really enjoy watching us chat.
Or you can cut a load of it out, not quite sure. Might not want to see the whole full-on edit, as it'll be about 3 hours long.
Yeah, we said last time, because last time was actually the condensed version, wasn't it?
I know, when you sent through and said, oh, it's already like half an hour. I'm like, what,
long?
condensed? And she's like, yeah. And I'm like, how have we talked for that long? And that's the cut version.
Yeah.
So clearly we can hold a conversation.
Yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing this afternoon. And Dad very kindly came down early for me and turned the heating on down here.
It's really toasty actually,
It's
and I'm regretting the
wonderful.
whole jumper dress decision.
Okay, I'm getting to the
It's
point
the one
where
I like.
Well, apparently it's only 20 degrees.
That's not
It's
bad. I mean,
weird,
it's
though, when you
miserable outside,
Yeah,
isn't it? It's
that
absolutely
difference.
gross
You're just
outside at the moment.
So anyway, that's what we are planning on doing today. So there probably will be, today's Vlogmas is probably going to be very, very short because there's going to be a lot of other stuff coming. But the video will be coming out on the 23rd of December, we've decided, right?
Yes, definitely.
Yes. So look forward to that one. But I will leave you for now and we'll see you later for the end of Vlogmas. And I've just got to remember which one's which. And yeah, there's... Well, that was exciting. We have no electricity. Oh dear. I mean, this camera is actually pretty good, but the electricity's just gone out. That's worrying. Oh dear. That's better. We have power. We have paid the bill. Light bulb blew in the main house. Whoa, it's cold. Right, back to waffling. My hair's been getting progressively worse because I keep going in and out of the rain and getting rained on. I had made an effort today, but never mind, never mind. So I've just finished filming my Make 9 for 2024 and my 2023 review. The review is, could do better if tried harder, basically. I now need to put away this giant pile of fabric that I've got next to me of all the different fabrics that I'm putting into my Make 9 for next year, because I've gone down a route of patterns and fabrics. Fingers crossed I can make it work. I'm excited about all of the things, which I think is important. There are not a lot of new patterns in 2024's plans, but I think that might work for me. We shall see. So anyway, I need to get on and start work on the brush roll. I think that's the next thing that I need to do, because I need to have one finished for Saturday for a certain person's birthday. Although I still need to finish editing yesterday's Vlogmas, so let's get that done and I will report back later and let you know how the day is progressing. If I remember. I will remember. That's the entire point of this month, Vlogmas. I will remember. I will. It'll happen. Yes.
It's very dark in here, isn't it, Chi? Are you comfy? She's made a nest. She couldn't quite get under the blanket, but she has made a nest. Hello, baby. Hello.
You are progressing at pace, Papa.
Yeah, because they're large blocks which are as boring as hell.
Oh, it's looking really good though.
Fill in. Well, I can't tell because I'm too close.
Yeah, from a distance. It's definitely Susie and it's definitely that photo. So they got that much right. I think she's a happy puppy. Okay, milk is in, and then that's what the hot chocolate sachets look like. So it literally is warm chocolate that you're making. So pour it in on top of the milk, that is important. Put the lid on its stand, press its button, and 2 minutes later, hot chocolate. I think you can hear it in the background, but it's raining. My friend's just doing the moustache thing. Then I have water dripping down my face and on my glasses. But I have my nut milk chocolate. Ooh, it smells like Ferrero Rocher. It kind of tastes like Ferrero Rocher as well. It's definitely got that praline in it. That's nice. I like that. Right, okay, so it's Mum's friend's birthday today, and Mum has made her the quilt that we showed you earlier. So she's going to come over, they're going to unwrap it, and well, there's two of them coming over. Jane and Susan are coming over to see Jane and Danny, and then Jane and Susan are going out to the theatre. And Danny and Sian are going to have a steak dinner, which Sian is cooking. I don't know why I'm talking in the third person. Susan, whose birthday it is, will unwrap her present, which is the quilt that you saw Mum making earlier, which is part of a set. The picnic set is going to be delivered for a Christmas present. So they're coming over about 5:30, and I said I'd cook dinner for Dad at about 6:30. So I've got some bits and pieces to do down here, and I think I might get on with some editing rather than starting a new project. Yeah, I'm going to start the new project tomorrow. It'll be fine. It'll be totally fine. We know I can sew quickly. It's the waffling that takes the time. Cake and present time. Definitely not the most beautiful dinner, but it will taste delicious. A very quick check-in just to say dinner was indeed delicious and I very much enjoyed, and I am going to spend the rest of my evening editing. I'm sorry there was so much of Vlogmas as me just telling you how much I'm editing, but it's true. Fingers crossed I can get some videos out this week as well as the Vlogmas editions. But I hope you've enjoyed day 8 and I will see you all tomorrow for more. Bye!